In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the issue of your Tesla window not closing properly or not going down when closing the door in your Model 3, Model Y, or other Tesla models. If your windows are stuck, misaligned, or not functioning as expected, here's what you can do. Start by ensuring your car is powered on and unlocked, as the window controls may not work if the vehicle is off or locked. Try using the window controls on the driver's side door panel to manually raise or lower the window. If the window still doesn't close properly, reset the system by holding down both scroll wheels on the steering wheel for 10 to 15 seconds to restart the touchscreen and control systems. After the reset, test the window again. If the issue persists, recalibrate the windows. To do this, lower the window completely using the switch, then hold the switch in the up position for 5 to 10 seconds after the window has fully closed. This process helps the car relearn the window's position and alignment. For situations where the window doesn't go down slightly when closing the door, a feature designed to seal the window properly, check for obstructions or debris in the window track. Clean the rubber seals and tracks with a soft cloth to ensure smooth operation. If the issue occurs in cold weather, ice or condensation might be preventing the window from moving correctly. Use the climate controls to defrost the windows. If none of these steps resolve the problem, there may be an issue with the window motor, sensors, or regulator. In this case, contact Tesla service or schedule a service appointment to diagnose and repair the issue. If this video helped you fix your Tesla window not closing issue, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.